I really am going to work on getting a GoPro, a new one, guys, because we're catching them quicker and we can throw them back.
Literally.
I can't even get out the camera in enough time. All right.
I caught that one, he's lying.
Shut up.
Oh, you got a stupid one. Oh, okay.
He's smarter than yours.
He figured it out.
He figured it out.
I just flips up on a rock.
He's like, oh, this is the ground. I should go the opposite way. Yours is like, hey, it's a rock. I'm going to lay on it.
I can't breathe. Wait. Oh, I was going to snag him.
What just happened?
Damn it.
Right after you had a decent largemouth on there. And
you got my failure.
Yeah, it's gone. A nice little pumpkin seed. Pretty fish.
It's cool. I've never seen one.
I like them. They look like ocean fish. Nice. I hate that I'm missing all the live action catching these fish.
Yeah, I know.
But it's not bad.
Not too bad at all.
Not too bad at all. And you just had one that got off. So we're thinking up there we got more rapids, so we have to walk this. What I'm thinking is that
what you thinking?
I work the jig along that deep part and you work the spinner along that shallow part.
Coming up, I was like, oh, slow down.
Nice. Alright guys, so the water is getting a little deep. It's gonna be interesting.
So Barry decided to swim instead of fish.
Hey. What we go through to get you guys good footage. You got a rock wall all the way down there.
You're welcome.
Should I try to fish like this? You think I can get something?
Why, yeah.
It's deeper, dude.
Oh, we got a long way to go too.
I know. We're well, we made it across. Finally. Soaked, as you can see. Steven was smart, he didn't go that deep. But yeah, this is looking nice. So we still got about an hour left, and then we'll have to head back. But we're gonna make the most out of that hour. Oh, these fish have been eating good. Look how fat he is. Look at that.
Yeah.
Creek smallies for days.
Red eye.
Yeah, it's a red. They call it a red eye or rock bass.
Huh.
Yeah.
He was
Fighting like a hoss. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, those red eyes. They're fun to catch. And they fight. That's a decent sized red eye too. They don't really get that big. Heck yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice.
Got him.
Yeah, you gotta kiss him. Let him go.
Actually kissed a fish.
Come on, little smallie. What'd you do? Hook yourself in the head?
Right.
He did. He jumped and hooked himself right in the head. You dumb fish.
Where?
Right there in his eye.
What an idiot.
It's a good size one though.
Yeah, it was.
That's right over where he just caught that. I'm gonna do this again.
Do it again. Honey hole.
Oh, they knew it was coming. They knew. There we go. He's not as dark as he was.
No, he was black when he came out.
Yeah,
that was weird.
Now he's just normal. These fish are so weird. I get it.
We caught everything in the world over here.
Get him. Get him. We've hit the end of our trek. We're just going to fish this little spot and then call it. There you go.
What is he doing?
I don't know. I think you hooked him weird.
He's give up.
Yeah, he just gave up.
He's like, oh, I'm God. I'm God.
Last fish of the day, guys.
Ow, quit.
Steven tries to get it unhooked and can't. It's the theme of the day. There you go. Yeah. What are you doing? It went under the rock. You ain't gonna get him again. If you did though. Alright guys, well, thanks so much for watching. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. And I guess I'll see you in the next fishing video. Or herping video, whichever one. We're going on a herping trip, aren't we, Steven?
Yeah.
Yeah. Up to a little place. I know, been before, it's pretty awesome, but I'm gonna leave that as a surprise for later on. When me and Steven are gonna go, it's gonna be an awesome herping video. I've got some good stuff going. You would cast again. You would cast again. No. Alright, well, till next time. Till next time.
To the right, to the right. Just walk straight to your right.
Oh, I see him. He went down again.
He was like right where you are. There he is.
I almost had him too.
He's got to still be here.
Somewhere unless he's sinking.
Where? Can you see him? Hell yeah.
Well, you guys wanted to herp. Here he is.
Couldn't even make it home.
Well, northern water snake. He's gonna try to bite me, I know he is. Beautiful northern. Looks like he's getting ready to shed. He's not puffing up or anything, so he's not like that agitated, but that is nice. Yeah, don't drop the camera, buddy.
Yeah, I'm making sure.
Here, I'll get closer to you. He's trying to calm down now. Nice. That's a good trip.
It was.
Great trip. Alright, I guess we'll let this guy go. He must have just, I think he just shed.
Yeah, he's
But
his markings aren't very.
Ooh. But I don't know, it's weird. Is this? I think it's gotta be a northern. You guys correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is a northern water snake. Don't bite me. Alright, buddy. Go back where you're going.
I'm going to that rock.
Whew. Alright, well.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Let's go home. Oh, I hurt myself. I hurt myself.
You got another one.
Help. Help.